is dedicated.
Still another change, Edoko, we seen Edoko, and we talk about the Simple Agenda series. Under this we don't talk about roads and drainages. We don't talk about lights. We don't talk about water supply. Now we dey page 23 for the Simple Agenda series. And now we wan put mouth for healthcare. Healthcare na very important aspect for human existence. Na matter wey be say we no need to take play, because na matter wey be say if you use am play, you dey play with your life. So Pastor Osage Eziamu don come up with a very strategic plan. He call am the Simple Strategic Health Development Plan for inside the Simple Agenda. He wan tackle the issue wey be say we no go dey get disease wey we dey easily dey contact with each other. That one go be bye bye. The matter will be say pikin and mama go dey die every time when mama wan give birth to pikin, e no go dey again. And also he wan employ people wey go dey take care of our health challenges for this state. Then he wan ensure say he create a functional disease control agency wey go dey survey, dey monitor and dey evaluate diseases. Agency name, so they will call am Edo State Center for Disease Control. Now when Pastor Osage Eziamu finally becomes governor, he go put things on ground so that when any disease break out, we go get swift attention from the government through the Edo State Center for Disease Control. Then he can also talk say he go also partner with private sector, and all this one so na through the Simple Strategic Health Development Plan na he want to achieve this goal. Under this healthcare, so he come break am down into A, which he label primary healthcare, PHC. What is primary healthcare? Primary healthcare mean say bringing healthcare down to the rural area, to our village. Our people wey dey the village, our mama, our papa wey dey village, they go fit dey access quality healthcare. This one they go ensure say they treat them for that their domain there. Then build health centers, equip them, put all the necessary things, all the beds. Then he also talk say he go provide maternal and newborn child healthcare system for our rural and villages for Edo State. But this one mean say we no go dey experience this issue of say mama no fit take care of the pikin when he get belle. You go fit dey do wetin we dey call antenatal and the rest to take protect the pikin wey dey belle, so that when he born, the pikin go dey healthy. And also he don talk say he go mobilize and advocate and also conduct research and build capacity with international and non-governmental organizations. Which is what I mean say he go collaborate, he go bring people wey no dey government, say make we join hands, say make we still move our healthcare system forward. He go provide mobile health service buses for all the 18 local governments. Every local government will get their own buses wey they attend to their people when they dey sick. Then also he come say he go establish what they call cottage hospital, which is what I mean say na grammar, but the grammar wan break am down, and e mean say they go build health center, small hospital there for each local government, that they go take care of them and give them quality healthcare. Then we come move into wetin we dey call general and specialist hospital. This one we go locate am. Pastor Osage Eziamu just say he go locate am for the 3 senatorial district. Edo South go get im own, Edo North go get im own, Edo Central go get im own, so that matter wey be say local government for the cottage hospitals no fit handle, they go come carry them, come go put them for the specialists and general hospitals, so that ogbonge doctors dem also wey still know wetin dem dey do, also dem go still look into the matter of sicknesses and diseases, come still profile solutions and give them medical advice. Governor Adams Osumole, he build central hospital for Benin here, but wetin we come dey hear say when he comot this present governor wey we get, so Governor Obaseki come go privatize the hospital. He come go bring person come, consultant, so that the ordinary person for our street, ordinary person for our community no go fit access good health care. Hospital when Osumole use our tax money, Edo State money take build. The present governor come go bring person come dey charge big money. Osagie Ezeamu don talk say he go take the hospital from that businessman, bring am back to the people, because that hospital dey build am for the people, make the people enjoy am. Then we come move into another aspect. No forget say we dey the infrastructural development and urban renewal for the simple agenda. We don enter B. B now be say na environmental health and sanitation. And this opportunity now so we need to leverage am wey be say UN and World Bank don bring come. Do wetin we dey call planting of trees. We go plant more trees and ensure say we get healthier environment. Because when you get trees dey bread the way e take dey do the environment. Wey be say the air go dey clean am, so that we fit dey breathe better oxygen. Then he don talk say he go come up with a comprehensive policy with strict compliance. And also he don talk say he go ensure say every person for Edo State, he go encourage them to plant at least 5 trees in a year. So na part of the things wey we wan bring come, so that we go live healthier life, we go dey live well, our environment go dey clean, and with the air wey we go dey breathe, e go dey good. And that aspect be say the waste wey we dey get from our house, the things wey we don do, wey you don use for your house finish, you no go fit use am again, na you gat to throw am. They go establish a waste management policy wey be say professionals, they go bring professionals come, they go come turn all those things, all those dirty wey we get for our house, come redo am, package am again, come take am take dey do many things the way e take dey be for abroad. He go ensure say he provide functional compactor trucks, and currently we get only 3 of these trucks for Edo State. He wan ensure say he provide more, so that when he carry dirty, so when that truck carry dirty, e fit cover so many houses, carry, so that e go fit compact the dirty and ensure say they go put them for where they suppose put them. And finally, he not also talk say he go also create a system wey be say he go avoid indiscriminate dumping of refuse anywhere wey you just go throw dirty. You get some kind roadside environmental waste companies dem, they go just carry it for your house, they go throw am for place wey be say government no approve. That one no go happen again o. It will not be business as usual under Pastor Osagie Ezeamu and Malam Ganiu's government. This thing we don talk so e go still generate jobs, because when you dey buy more compactor trucks, or we come need more drivers, and people go dey manage those new dump sites wey they go create again, they go still dey there. So wetin they try to tell una say every aspect for this simple agenda na to create jobs. And don't forget to September 19th na the date. Go your polling unit, invite everybody wey you know say dey your unit, your PVC. Una go na polling unit, go vote for Pastor Osagie Ezeamu for governor and Malam Gani Audu for deputy. When you reach there, look for the broom APC, the broom, and put your hand for there. My people, na well done.